Spanning more than 150 miles, the Skagit River stands as one of Washington's most treasured natural resources. In the valley where the mighty river meets the sea, farmers built a thriving community, turning it into one of the country's most remarkable regions for agriculture.
What you're looking at is the Skagit Delta, which is extraordinarily fertile. The top 2% of soils in the world rest right there.
The Skagit River Delta was originally a floodplain where tides would carry seawater up to 11 miles inland. For centuries, coastal tribes have used its natural abundance, fishing its salmon-rich waters and gathering shellfish along the shores. In the 1860s, settlers began diking the marshy flats. In the process, they uncovered nearly 100,000 acres of some of the most fertile soil in the world.
If it wasn't for the dikes that those old-timers put in, every tidal cycle we would have water clear this far up. And so they reclaimed this entire Skagit Valley and were able to farm it.
Settlers were drawn to the Skagit Valley by tales of mild weather and rich soil. By the 1870s, communities like Mount Vernon emerged as major trading and transport hubs along the river. Oats, hay, barley, and potatoes were early crops in the Skagit Valley. Over time, the region also became a key center for commercial vegetable seed farming, starting with cabbage seed and expanding into Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, spinach, beet, and other vegetables. Other agricultural industries also flourished in Skagit Valley. By the early 1900s, you could find dairy and beef cattle almost anywhere in the area.
My dad's father was a farmer, and back in those days, what he did was he had a few cows. Everybody in those days had a few cows, and he grew a little bit of grain, and they had a lot of horses, and he used the grain to feed the horses.
Farming in the Skagit Valley did come with its fair share of challenges, including flooding. There were several major floods before 1900, including one that washed away farmland and most of the town of Sauk City. In 1921, the river ran dangerously high and broke through a levee at Burlington, destroying homes and barns and leading to the loss of many cattle. After World War I, falling crop prices hit Skagit Valley farmers hard, but they persevered, helping to build one of the region's most productive farming communities. Today, Skagit County is the top bulb-growing county in the United States. About 1,000 acres of bulb crops are planted each year, yielding about 20 million bulbs and about 75 million cut flowers. The region's tulips are a major part of its floral identity. There are a few factors that make the Skagit Valley an ideal place to grow flowers.
Well, one of the main benefits is that we can grow for an extended period of time, and we can be growing year-round depending on the crop that we have. The other benefit is, particularly in Skagit, the soil here is a glacial soil. It's full of minerals. It's world-renowned. You have a certain makeup here that you can't find anywhere else.
Apart from flowers, potato farming remains popular in the valley, with 95% of Washington's red potatoes coming from Skagit County. Blueberries, blackberries, and Brussels sprouts also continue to expand their footprint in the region. The farming legacy of the Skagit Valley stretches across generations, with its rich history paving the way for new farmers to build on tradition.
We have farmers that are 6 generations deep, and we also have a very important and growing cluster of new farmers.
Today, Skagit Valley farmers cultivate more than 90 different crops, making the valley a cornerstone of sustainable farming.
The Skagit Valley is the last remaining agricultural valley in the Puget Sound region that has not been developed.
Skagit County is the key provider of food for the Pacific Northwest and beyond.